Initiating simulation 027. The graveyard. The universe is billions of years old. There should be millions of civilizations. But we see nothing. This is the great filter. The theory that there is a specific step in evolution that is almost impossible to survive. There are two possibilities. Possibility one, the filter is behind us. The hard part was creating life. We are the first, the lonely winners of the lottery. Possibility two, the filter is ahead of us. It means advanced civilizations always destroy themselves before they can leave their star. Nuclear war, artificial intelligence, resource depletion. The filter is a trap that every smart species builds for itself. This is why finding life on Mars would be the worst news in human history. If we find ruins, it means life is easy. But survival is impossible. It means the filter is still waiting for us. The silence of the night sky isn't peace. It's a graveyard. We are just the next tombstone. Simulation. Result? Pray that we are alone. Don't look for neighbors. End log.